Welcome back, Fanny.
Oh, high quality video.
Okay. Get out, Fanny. Bit of a monkey monkey. Got all the engines from Fireways. Bit of an update. We are there. We're about to go in there soon. I'm gonna go into the workshop soon, Fanny. So yeah, we'll just listen to my teacher, see what he says. But yeah, got all types of stuff in this workshop. We're here to learn, Fanny. We're here to learn. Handy. Yep. Gonna be in there, Fanny. Got all the engines from Fireways. That's what it is. That's actually nice, huh? 7 apes, 5 apes. Same engine as these. Yeah, they find it. Cooking up some steak with my son. Hey son, there you go. Here is barbecue chicken. This is a sampler. He didn't touch anything here, you hold one of those each. You grab the meat like that, okay son? I might use one after. Not too sure what my next step is, probably just wait for my course related. Buy me some new stuff for course. And of course some new parts, but yeah, we'll get into that more a bit further down the line. I've still got two more videos to upload. So yeah, love&light, find it. We're on top of everything. Hope you all had a good day. Probably go for a little dive this weekend because I'm feeling kinesically this time. Should have ate some last time because now I'm skeleton. So yeah, love&light. Legal son. We have a fun night to watch this cracking on some eggs. One even come up. Oh, that's really low. Okay. Just turn it up. Clean everything right up. Wow, get it cracking. Oh, fluffy, you know what I mean? Got our dinner tonight. The old Barbie, the old quarter pastelita. Gotta clean the birds I'm hanging quickly, which man made it a bit of a mess. Yep. Shout out to the cousins for the new table. It's a beer pong table from now on. I might buy a little ping pong set on. That'll be all good evening. It's all had a good day. Just to update, me and Civic's baking a bit of a cake. Just a simple one, funny. Simple moist one. All you need is 3 eggs, some butter, and some milk. Already put these in. Civic, tip our butter in. He just went upstairs, finally melted our butter. Put them in sun and you can mix them up. Yep. See? Mix them up now. Yeah. Good boy, son. Ready. He's the update, we just mix them up. Give it a quick mix and we just tip in it in, we just butter that up. So we're just gonna tip them in and I'll scrape them out. We'll get back to update once it's in the oven. Love&light, find it. Right, tea chocolate. Yeah, me. Turn it like the sweet tea. Like that. Get it. When you finish, put it away. Okay? Legal. Yeah, we preheated it to 180 Fahrenheit. Safety. She's in now. Now we just gotta wait 40 minutes, son.
40 minutes.
Yep, and done. Legal. Yep. There it is, finally. I think it's yum. What do you reckon, son? Yeah. Yeah, I think it's yum. Check it out, finally. Bit of a mountain mud cake. So we're just gonna put some sprinkles on this. Lunchtime sports. Lunchtime here, one tick finally. Check it out. The rolling back in. Number day 4. Try letting in with the boys. Voila. Yeah, we're going into the workshop. Not too sure what we're up to next. We'll have a night fire night. Legal. There's fire night. We're all out here. Hot room. 14 in there and there. All the boys jamming. Yeah, the boys. Woohoo! Nice out, bro. Yeah. Funny, you see how they practicing some welds.
Get up, boys. Get up, boys.
You do flipping. How fast your wife be there? The fast? It's pretty hot there. Look at that even. Yeah, it's coming up pretty fast. Oh, it's pretty faster than that one. And the stick up laser, right? That's bad, eh? I'm gonna get all the way along. Okay, you want some in a bit hot there? Been up for longer. Get it have a rest. Legal want it.
Illegal.